and today I'm going to represent the mighty forts of India. These are not just the stone walls, they are the symbol of courage.
And as you can see, this model represents Operation Sindhu, which shows courage and valor of our Indian armed forces. Just like how parents protect their children from various threats, this model shows how Indian Army protects the entire nation.
For rich Indian culture, so this is the Ram Mandir. It is not just a temple, it is a symbol of devotion, patience and faith. After waiting for centuries, this sacred place finally stands that Lord Rama was born. So as we are taught, work hard and never give up, the Ram Mandir also reminds us that with faith and patience, good things will surely. This evening, thousands of people joined together on the ghats to pray to Mother Ganga.
This is the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the oldest and most advanced civilizations that flourished in our Indian subcontinent nearly 4,500 years ago.
So, after some archaeological study, the archaeologists found no weapons of war even after the invasion of the Aryan Empire. So, instead, they found farming tools, ornaments, and trading items, which showcases that the Harappans lived in peace, prosperity, and hard work rather than fighting.
Sir, this is a Bluetooth connection card which is made by the young robotics engineers of our school. It is basically made by using microcontroller and Arduino Uno, which basically receives signals from smartphone. Here we use the smartphone with a private interface, or you can use the one from Google as well.
So, this is the Diya doing the Aarti of Ganesh Ji.
This is the bell to ring during the Aarti.
And this is Ganesh Ji with mandala art in the back panel. It detects moisture in the air, and when raindrops fall on it, the automatic car washer, we're using this as a substitute for raindrops. It doesn't need any button to operate it. It just does it automatically, and it's very useful in the monsoons.
And this is the Gigabot. It's a programmable